Let's learn.
Let's learn.
People do many things.
People do many things.
A forest sells flowers.
A forest sells
A
flowers.
doctor helps sick people.
A doctor helps sick people.
A baker bakes bread.
A baker bakes bread.
People work in many places.
People make in many places.
People work in many places.
People work in many places.
A florist works
A forest works
in a flower shop.
in a flower shop.
A doctor works
A doctor works
in a clinic.
in a clinic.
A baker works
A baker works
in a bakery.
in a bakery.
Other places to
Other
work.
places to work.
A bank.
A bank.
An office.
An office.
Factory.
A factory.
Ask and answer.
Ask and answer.
What does a dentist usually do?
What does the dentist usually do?
A dentist fixes teeth.
A dentist fixes his teeth.
What does a fisherman
What does the fisherman
usually do?
usually do?
A fisherman catches fish.
A fisherman catches fish.
What does a bank teller
What does the bank teller
usually do?
usually do?
A bank teller counts money.
A bank teller counts money.
What does a secretary
What does the secretary
usually do?
usually do?
A secretary
A
types letters.
A secretary types letters.
What does a factory worker
What does a factory worker
usually do?
usually do?
A factory worker makes things.
A factory worker makes things.
What does a baker usually do?
What does a baker usually do?
A baker bakes bread.
A baker bakes bread.
Makes sentences.
Makes sentences.
A bank teller works in a bank.
A bank teller works in a
A
bank.
bank teller works
A bank teller works
in a bank.
in a bank.
A factory worker
Factory worker
works in a factory.
works in a factory.
A secretary
A secretary
works in an office.
works in an office.
A baker
A baker
works in the kitchen.
works in the kitchen.
A florist
A forest
works in a flower shop.
works in a flower shop.
A dentist
A dentist
works in a clinic.
works in a clinic.
Let's read.
Let's read.
Rob's report.
Rob's report.
Jack the Mechanic
Jack the Mechanic
by Rob Wilson.
by Rob Wilson.
This is Jack Peters.
This is Jack Peters.
He's a mechanic.
He's a mechanic.
He works in a gas station.
He works in a gas station.
He wears a uniform.
He wears a uniform.
He fixes cars.
He fixes cars.
He also fixes motorcycles.
He also fixes motorcycles.
Sometimes he sells gas.
Sometimes he sells gas.
He likes cars
He
a
likes-
lot.
He likes car a lot. He likes car a lot.
He's a good mechanic.
He's a good mechanic.
New words.
New word.
Report.
Report.
Mechanic.
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 Gas station.
Gas station.
Uniform.
Uniform.
Also.
Also.
Motorcycles.
Motorcycle.
Gas.
Gas.
Answer the questions.
Answer the question.
What does Jack do?
What does Jack do?
Jack is a mechanic.
Jack is a mechanic.
Does he work in an office?
Does he work in an office?
No, he doesn't.
No, he doesn't.
He works in a gas station.
He works in a gas station.
What does he fix?
What does he fix?
He fixes cars.
He fixes cars.
Does he ever sell gas?
Does he ever sell gas?
Yes.
Yes.
Sometimes he sells gas.
Sometimes he sells gas.
True or false?
True or false?
Jack is a mail carrier.
Jack is a mail carrier.
He works in a gas station.
He works in a gas
He
station.
sells motorcycles.
He sells motorcycles.
He likes cars.
He likes cars.
Sound and sentences.
Thought and sentences.
C.
C.
P.
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 She sells peas
She sells peas
and tea
and tea
by the sea.
by the sea.
Creek.
Creek.
Reed.
Reed.
Bees.
Bees.
The bees
The bees
were on the reeds
were on the reed
near the creek.
near the creek.